Green peas are in season, and it occurred to me, why not make a fun snack for your winter hunger pangs? Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And today I have for you green peas tikki. So I'm going to start with heating a pan. Into this, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds are nicely roasted, into this I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Cook the ginger for a few seconds. And next into this, I'm going to add in green peas. So I have 2 cups of green peas here that I've half crushed in the blender. These green peas are raw. I haven't boiled them. Don't grind them into a fine paste, just keep them nice and coarse. And also remember, after you rinse the green peas, make sure you pat dry them completely. So I'm just going to saute them for about 2 minutes. Keep stirring on this continuously and cook on high heat. Two minutes are done and now I'm going to turn off the flame. So basically we don't need to overcook this because they're going to cook while roasting as well. And now let this cool down completely. While the green peas mixture is cooling down, let's mix up a few other ingredients. So I have 1 big potato boiled and mashed here, 3 tablespoons of coarsely ground roasted peanuts, 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. For some reason, green peas, peanuts and coconut is a perfect combination and I love using the 3 ingredients whenever I'm making a recipe together. Next I have 2 slices of bread that I've just ground in the blender. So this is fresh white bread. I've just made breadcrumbs out of it. A handful of coriander leaves. 1.5 tablespoon of ginger and chilli paste. 1 teaspoon amchur or raw mango powder. If you don't have this, you can always add a few drops of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder. 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Depending on how soft your potato mash is, you might need to adjust the quantity of the corn flour. Salt to taste. And now I'm going to add in the green peas mixture. Make sure it's completely cooled down. Let's mix all these ingredients together now. So the mixture is ready. It's not too soft, not too hard. It's just perfect to shape the tikkis. So let's start shaping them. Take a small portion. If it's too sticky, you can always apply a little bit of oil onto your palms. Make flat tikkis, and to give it a uniform edge, just roll it over a plate so that you finish the sides. Similarly, let's roll all the tikkis. While my crew cannot even wait for these to get ready, I have something special for you too. At the end of the episode, I am going to give a shout out to one of the best answers from the viewers. So stay tuned till the end. These tikkis are done. And I'm going to shallow fry them. If you wish to deep fry, you can do so. Add a little bit of oil in the pan. Make sure the entire surface of the pan is nicely coated with oil. Once the oil is slightly warm, make sure it's not too hot because it'll just brown the patties very quickly and not cook all the way through. So while it's slightly warm, let's start placing the patties in the pan. While you can make these tikkis with green peas, you can also refer to a nutritious recipe for beetroot patties, and the link is given in the description box below. Let's flip them over. They become nice and brown on one side. Now let it cook on the other side as well. Let's check on these. They seem to be done on the other side as well. Let's get them out. Time to plate these on a platter. Just enjoy these tikkis simply with ketchup or green chutneys and they taste awesome. So do give these a try and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. In the episode of Gobi 65, I had asked you all for an innovative idea of how far you would go to use a certain leftover. Lata Gangwani had an interesting answer. She said that she uses her leftover palak paneer to make kebabs out of it by adding potatoes, spices and some breadcrumbs. Well, that's really smart. When it comes to making snacks from winter veggies, green peas tikki is what I've got for you today. Do let me know what winter vegetables do you use to make some interesting snacks in the comment section below.